Hello, class, and welcome to ACLT 053 for week 8. For week 8 in ACLT 053, we're going to go back to doing the assignments at the end of the week. I know last week you had some midweek and some afterward, but we're going to go back to the regular schedule for this week in ACLT 053. We are working out of the Criminal Justice Unit, for short we call it the CRJS module. And for this week, you're going to be doing pretty much what you've done before. So you're going to be working out of the discussion board post for week 1 of the CRJS module. You're going to reflect on the readings that you've been doing in English 101 on readings by Gran, Ridgway, Casella, or Stevenson. And you're going to kind of reflect on the connection of ideas that you have made in the articles on criminal justice, and reflect on what you've learned, extend your ideas, extend your thinking. What challenges or questions do you still have? I want you to respond and paraphrase some of the examples from the readings. Make sure to include at least 2 paraphrased examples from the readings. And of course, don't forget an MLA in-text citation and the works cited page. And please, of course, respond to your peers as well. The other thing I'd like you to do at the end of the week is the blog for the CRJS. Again, you're going to be in this reading and writing blog. You're going to think about what you used to think about criminal justice and now what you think after doing the reading. What connections do you see? What do you still have questions about? And so forth and so on. So those are the 2 assignments that are due at the end of the week. And I hope this was very helpful.